Sunlight bathes the living room, illuminating the air as Mirha sits, lost in her colorful world of art. A rainbow of crayons surrounds her, a vibrant contrast to the quiet morning. Hussein toddles into the room, his eyes widening at the sight of his sister and her artistic treasures. "Look, Hussein!" Mirha exclaims, her face lighting up with a smile as she shares her creation. Hussein, his eyes ablaze with artistic fervor, grasps a crayon. He attacks the wall with vibrant strokes, a rainbow blooming across the pale plaster. Mama enters her step, faltering, as shock and disbelief wash over her face. As she stares, her initial reaction softens, replaced by a dawning surprise. She kneels, her gaze tracing the bold lines, initial anger dissolving into quiet contemplation. Mama re-enters the living room, a large chart paper and tape in hand, ready to transform the space. With careful precision, Mama begins to affix the paper to the wall, obscuring Hussein's vibrant rainbow drawing. Mirha and Hussein watch with bated breath, their eyes wide with anticipation as their mother works. "This is your new art corner. You can draw anything you want here," Mama announces, her voice filled with warmth and encouragement. The children watch with growing excitement. The blank canvas of the chart paper promises endless possibilities for their creative spirits.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.